Jay here. Today's countdown proves laundry is never really finished. At 5, the Saboteur, freshly dried, immediately undone. Excellent timing. At 4, the Basket Sleeper, warm, self-contained, officially claimed. At 3, the Spin Watchers. Mesmerized, concerned, emotionally invested. At 2, the Family Load. This is our laundry now. All of it, every last sock. And at 1, the Hamper Takeover. Everybody's in, nobody's leaving. Hey, where you going, buddy? I'm gonna take a load off now. If you enjoyed today's feline countdown, remember to subscribe, like, and share.